are now approaching Intramuros. See, that's the Department of Labor building.
Dati diretso ka lang yan. Ngayon sinarap na yung gitna. Saka hindi ano ba siguro ginagawa. Kaya sinarap.
Mantasan ng lungsod ng Maynila. We're here to pick up Shaira and Michael. So, DOLE, Department of Labor and Employment. The wall.
Wall of...
Ang nailig sabihin ng Intramuros, wall, ano yan eh, bold, ano daw yun eh. See, that's the old wall. So Intramuros is surrounded by walls. So this is school as well of Mapua. Mapua nga ba? Mapua Institute. See. Those are jails before for prisoners, and now it's food stalls. Different food stalls for students.
Dati pinreserve lahat yan ni Nilim. Tapos ginawang bar ni Atienza. Ngayon full chain na.
So, Lyceum of the Philippines. See, it's all walled. Moralia. Letran. Letran.
Dami na pala school din.
This is Colegio de San Juan de Letran. Letran College. So you can see it's really surrounded by walls. Yeah, more jails, yeah.
Ito hindi pinayagan.
So that's a dormitory. Saan tayo?
Basta tayo. Tayo sa fire department. Ito binubuo na siya.
That's the bridge going to Binondo. See the bridge going to Binondo.
Bago yan.
That's a new one.
Nasa fire department.
East West Bank. See, KFC.
From there.
Ayan yung cathedral, di ba?
Mm.
Okay, that's the Manila Cathedral.
Ang antik.
And the Calesa. Okay, Calesa. Fire station. Ito ba? Di ba meron pa isang fire
Ito
station?
lang ba?